Okay, now when I first heard of this idea of white blood cells, the idea was that the white blood cell is this round thing that flows along and it's sticky, like, it could just be a thing that the bacteria runs into. Now, I think it's pretty obvious that the white blood cell there is pursuing the bacteria, right? And I think the bacteria is also fleeing. Let's watch it again. And I think the bacteria could be said to be fleeing. Otherwise, it would have gotten caught sooner. Cotton. Um, that takes at least some sort of computational. I mean, that is at least a robot. It at least requires a computer. That's not just what happens because of Newtonian things bumping into each other with elastic reactions and whatnot. Now, I'm fair, so I showed that version. But I think in this next version, though very similar, you'll see that there is clearly pursuit. So the point of showing that one with the yakety sax is that, yeah, depending on soundtrack or something like this, it is possible to change how something appears. But I just don't want you guys to have an easy out. I agree there is, okay, maybe I'm projecting, awareness of pursuit into this. On the other hand, I don't want you guys to have an easy out of just, well, that's all it is. Well, it needs to be explained some other way, if not that way. So at the very least, it seems like there has to be a computer in this robot. Now this is a picture of Trichodina or Trichodina. This is not my strong area of science. I'm more into physics and stuff. But this is a single-celled creature. We shouldn't have this idea of the single cell as totally specialized or just a blob. They're little machines. They're little machines made out of atoms. You don't necessarily need more than one cell to have a full array of things. These, instead of floating around now, they tend to be parasitic on fish or whatnot. They learn how to hold on to things. So I'll show a picture of this, a specific kind. Not this one I'm showing here, but what is it? Trichodina pediculus. And these are going along some sort of sea animal, and they're cleaning bacteria or eating bacteria off of it. They look like aphids or mites. They're like a cross, like little crabs. And it's a single cell.